Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Andy Hubbard. I'm going to share with you 5 reasons why you should have a mentor. Reason number 5, they've been there and done that. So if you really want to get somewhere, or you know where you want to be, or you know what your business wants to be like, the best thing to do is get a mentor who has been there and done that and is exactly where you want to be. Reason number 4, a mentor can advise and answer your questions. So they can give you advice on whatever you want, whether that's how you grow your social media marketing, how you raise more money, how you find more deals, how you get from £100,000 a year turnover to £1 million a year turnover. They can advise on all of that, and then whenever you've got any questions, they're the ones that can answer those questions. And you think, if you're trying to struggle and figure all this stuff out yourself, it can take you a long time. So a mentor can just save you hours and hours and years of zigzagging, wasting your time, going down the wrong track, whatever you call it. But a mentor can be there for the best advice and answer all of your questions whenever you've got any. Number 3, a mentor can support and challenge you. So if you've got any challenges, if you've got any wobbles, if you've got any worries, any concerns, any mindset blocks, a mentor can help you overcome those. And if you've got any challenges, again, they can put strategic plans in place to overcome those challenges. You know, you're going into the unknown, you're going to be getting out of your comfort zone, and it can be a little bit daunting. And if a mentor has been there and done that, they can tell you exactly what to experience, what to avoid, which way to go, all the best advice. So that's tip number 3. The reason you should need a mentor, number 2, they're going to help you fast track your journey. So wherever you are and wherever you want to be, a mentor can help you get there a lot quicker by helping you avoid the mistakes, setting out the roadmap for you so that you get there quicker. If you think of it like a sat-nav, you know, it's going to get you from A to B in the quickest point possible, rather than zigzagging and going down the wrong direction and having to do U-turns, make mistakes, setbacks, etc. So if you really want to fast track, getting a mentor is a great bit of advice. Reason number 1, accountability. If you think about people who go to the gym, maybe you go to the gym yourself, and maybe we've all let ourselves off. Maybe we've said, well, maybe we'll go tomorrow. I feel a bit tired. I'll go next week. A mentor is not going to let you off. You know, if you've got appointments booked in, whether that's a Zoom, whether it's a one-to-one, face-to-face, whatever that is, you're going to more likely show up. And if you don't show up, they're going to be getting on the phone saying, where are you? Why didn't you call? Why didn't you turn up to the meeting? They're going to keep you accountable. Now, being kept accountable, you're more likely going to do what they say, and you're going to get the results. So that is tip number 1 for me, accountability. So there's my 5 reasons why you need a mentor. Hope you found that useful. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I've got loads more videos coming like this over the coming months that you're going to find really useful. And we'll see you on the next video very soon.